What's up, my royal flush? It is I, J Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back for another video. Happy New Year. Welcome all my new subscribers that has came and subscribed to, you know, my little family that I have over here. I've been absent for a minute, like I have, so I deeply sincerely apologize about that, but I am back in full swing for my channel. So y'all wondering, like, why am I looking like so crusty and stuff like that? But I don't give a fuck. I needed like a SD card reader for my MacBook, and now I have one, so I can finally, you know, upload and different things like that. You know, so I'm uploading maybe like 3 to 4 videos a week because I really want to push out content, because 2018 is my year, and I'm really trying to grow and more like that, you know, this year for my channel. My goal for this year, by the end of the year, is to reach 10,000 subscribers, and you know, that's my goal for this year for my channel. So it's to reach at least 10,000 subscribers. But tonight I'm probably going to record some makeup tutorials. My main days I'm going to be uploading is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So if y'all get like a video like maybe on a Tuesday or Thursday, most likely is going to be like an extra video added on to my schedule. This year I will also be doing reactions on my channel, but like maybe upload like more beauty videos and maybe like one reaction throughout the week probably. So that's the plan that I see and that I'm looking forward to. If you guys want to, you know, follow me throughout my journey and different things like that, just hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.